Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Euro Truck Simulator 2 crashing on your Steam PC. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So once you purchase Euro Truck Simulator, you're going to go to your library, and then you're going to look for the game. So let's pretend this is the same game. It's going to be the exact same steps. From here, you're going to go right click, and then you're going to go to Properties, and then from here, you're going to go to Installed Files. Now from here, you're going to click on both Backup Game Files and then Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once you click on this, it will recheck every single file that the game has installed and make sure that it all runs correctly without crashing again. Then, after you do that, you're going to close it. Once you do that, you're going to right click again, go to Manage, and then go to Browse Local Files. Now you're going to scroll down until you see the logo that says the game, Euro Truck Simulator. And then from here, you're going to right click on it and then go to Properties. And then from here, you're going to go to Compatibility and then make sure to run this program in compatible mode and then select Windows 8. And then from here, click on Apply and then click OK. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.